Here is a 1987 Suzuki Samurai four-wheel drive, and if you please read the ad, you will see that I spent a lot of time detailing all the equipment that's in this vehicle, plus it's a ground or frame off restoration. Everything in this vehicle was either installed new or refurbished. There's been only 3,000 miles since the complete restoration. The factory cluster was replaced at 100,000 with one that read 0, and there's now 3,000 and small change on the entire restoration. So I'll take you around and show you how magnificent this truck is. As you can see, it's got the LED halo headlights, the aftermarket bumpers, and again, if you read the details, you'll see that exactly what these bumpers are and the rest of the options. This front bumper has two guards that bolt on that go around to protect the headlights. They come with the vehicle. They're also painted black to match. I have them off because I like the look of the headlight, but you could put them on if you so desire. The paint is extraordinary, and it should be. It's a $9,000 paint job that was, as you can see from the picture, started from bare metal, and it was epoxy sealed and 2 or 3 coats of polyester, all blocked, and the color is a Chrysler color, again, which I list in the ad what that color is. The quality of the paint is superb. You can see the reflection of the trees and the telephone pole in the hood, and it's in the bright sunlight, it's quite pearlescent. It's a cloudy day today, and it's just magnificent. The windshield was converted, as you can see, the hinges in the front, and it's got levers on the inside. You could lower the windshield if you so desire, and it straps down to the hood. There's a Suzuki strap in the glove box that's brand new, and you could ride with it with the windshield down if you choose to. Tires are the Goodyear Wranglers. The tires are all a match set all the way around, of course, and they only have 3,000 miles on them. So again, coming down the side, you'll see that there is not a ding or a mark in this truck. I'm just crazy about the color. It's got the Bushwhacker flares on that were also painted. And there's your rear tire. And there is your rear bumper, which is also the Zor, and it was painted. I'm going to unbutton this so that you can take a look inside. The entire tub was rhino lined, as you can see, from front to back, and you have obviously new carpet with padding throughout, but you know, this is what the tub looks like. It's just like brand new in here, no matter where you look. It's got custom door panels, and it's got this custom rear panel, padded rear panel as well. Again, coming down the right side, you'll see again there's not a mark or a chip or a door ding in the body. and the roof is brand new. It's not even 2 weeks old. The other roof looked like this. It looked like it was perfect, but a branch fell on it and put a hole right in the middle of the top. So this is a brand new rugged roof on it. Take you down this side. And show you the interior. Again, door panels are all custom, not the fiberboard door panels that they come with. And as you can see, I mean, there's no need to mention, but there's not an iota of rust anywhere. Since this was originally a Florida truck, so it was rust-free to begin with, and since it's been restored, it's been totally garage kept. Seats are incredible. They're leather, and then the centers on the lower back and the seat are black suede. They are with contrasting stitching. They're just beautiful and very, very comfortable. Got a Pioneer radio. That's nothing special. You've got an additional odometer set of gauges for oil pressure, volts, and a clock. You've got an oversized boot for the four-wheel drive and the stick shift. Take you around the driver's side. And again, driver's seat is mint, as is everything. The seats have fold-down armrests, both of them, so they can sit like captain's chairs. It's got a Grant steering wheel, aftermarket. And again, you know, you look at your jams and even the rockers, and everything is just finished superbly. There's your driver's door panel, and your inside roll bar. I'll take you under the hood, and then we can wrap this up. Again, the motor, and as well as the trans and the axles, front and back, were all rebuilt as described in the ad. But sorry about that. I had to put the camera down and use two hands. And under here, as you can see, it looks like a 3,000-mile motor. All your inner fenders, everything is neat and tidy. There's not a leak or a drip or anything underneath or up top here, valve cover or anything like that. It's just absolutely an extraordinary vehicle from front to back. I just wanted to let you know that I do not respond to emails or messages or texts. If you have questions, my number is in the ad, and you could call me anytime. If I happen not to pick up the phone, please leave your message with your phone number so that I can call you back. Thanks for looking. Have a great day.